Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Today we will be showcasing chiffons and Georgette sarees, complete Banarasi pattern weaved sarees anedi chudabothunnamu. Contrast color borders lo light weighted sarees suitable for any age group, very soft, very comfortable, easily drapable and easily maintainable kuda. Hand wash chesukochu ee sarees ni, and all these sarees do not require any sort of pressing, and these sarees measures 5.5 meters in length. You get 80 to 90 centimeter blouse. So ee roju collections చూద్దాం. How to shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, you can directly visit to our store which is located in Kondapur, Botanical Garden Road, Hyderabad. And fourth one, you can book a video call slot. Me preferred time slot ki meer adigina varieties ni video call chesi chupistamu. Dani nunchi kuda you can pick your favorite saree. So the first design neen drape cheskunna saree andi. It's a grey with bottle green color combination saree. So on a grey base you have complete jal pattern weaving anedi body ku untundi. So throughout the body we have these jal pattern weaved motifs. Ila cross pattern weaving anedi body ku ostundi, and both sides manaki bottle green color lo gold zari weave borders ostunayi. So this is the complete look of the saree. So body, throughout the body manaki ilanti weaving untundi, and we have a 3-inch border on either sides. This is the pallu, a contrast zari weave pallu. The saree carries a contrast color blouse priced at 1550 free shipping. So moving on to the next pattern in chiffon sarees andi. This is a tri-shaded chiffon saree. Sky blue anedi base. Sky blue lo we have different shades of sky blue in this saree. So we have a lighter shade, a little darker shade, and the darker shade of sky blue anedi throughout the body untundi. This body also carries cross pattern weave motifs, and we have gold zari weave borders on either sides. Complete floral zari weave borders anedi throughout the body kostundi. A 3-inch border, and this is the pallu. Weaved pallu, a contrast color weave pallu. The saree is paired up with a sky blue color blouse. The saree is priced at 2250 free shipping. Moving on to the next pattern in chiffon saree. It's a beige color chiffon saree. The next crossed weave pattern andi. The color combination kuda chaala baaguntundi. Beige with wine color combination. Throughout the body we have these cross pattern weaved motifs, and this saree comes with wine color borders, a 3-inch wine color gold zari weave border on either sides. This is the pallu. So pallu also comes in a 60 centimeter pallu, complete weaving anedi pallu kostundi. The saree carries a wine color blouse. This saree is priced at 1550 free shipping. Now we are moving to the next fabric, a Georgette saree. So this pattern has weaving as well as digital prints andi. A sky blue color base is the saree. So on a sky blue base, complete gold zari weave motifs anedi throughout the body untundi. Chinna chinna weaving motifs untunnai, and contrast color digital printed floral motifs kuda body kostundi. Beige, pink and blue with grey color combination printed motifs running throughout the body. The saree carries a weaved border, a navy blue base weaved border on either sides. One side manaki 10 inches ke border untundi. It's a paisley pattern weaved border. Other side we have a 3 to 4 inch weaved border, and this is the pallu. So pallu is a complete navy blue base weaved pallu with finished tassel. The saree carries a navy blue color zari weave blouse priced at 2600 free shipping. The next pattern in Georgette saree andi. This is a bottle green color Georgette saree. So on a bottle green color base, complete gold zari weave motifs vastunnai, and we have digital printed borders. It's a very traditional color combination saree andi. One side we have a gold zari weave border. Throughout the body chinna butties anedi vastundi, very closely spaced butties as well. And one side of the saree carries a digital printed border. On a beige base we have complete weave motifs and floral printed motifs as well. So this is how the saree looks, and this is the pallu. So pallu beige base meeda gold and multicolor combination floral printed motifs aithe pallu kostundi. The saree carries a printed blouse, a very trendy blouse. This saree is priced at 2600 free shipping. The next one in Georgette, this is also a dual shaded Georgette saree. So this saree comes with green, light green shade lo manaki both sides layer pattern weaving aithe body kostundi. Complete gold zari weave motifs running through the body, and we have weaved borders on either side. It's a dual shaded saree. Throughout the body 1-inch weaved motifs, closely spaced weaved motifs aithe vastundi, and both sides we have a 4-inch weaved border on either side, and this is the pallu. So pallu kuda manaki mottam chinna zari weave motifs aithe pallu kostundi. It's a almost 80 cm pallu. The saree carries a layer pattern weave blouse. The saree is priced at 2500 free shipping. So moving on to the next pattern in Georgette saree. So this is a pattern which is we have seen similar pattern. Only difference దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే మనకి బోర్డర్స్ లో ఉన్న ప్రింట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. The one which have draped, it's a maroon color Georgette saree, complete gold zari weave saree. మొత్తం చిన్న బుటీస్ అనేది బాడీకి ఉంటుంది. So throughout the body we have closely spaced booties, 1-inch weave booties, and one side it's a gold zari weave border. The other side on a beige base we have multicolor printed borders, digital printed borders. Beige మీద గోల్డ్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ లో గ్రే, పింక్, yellow అండ్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ ప్యాటర్న్ లో మనకి ప్రింటెడ్ బార్డర్స్ అనేది వస్తుంది, అండ్ ద సేమ్ స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ పల్లు. సో ద పల్లు ఆల్సో క్యారీస్ ద సేమ్ స్టైల్ యాజ్ ద బార్డర్, వీవింగ్ ఉంటుంది అండ్ ప్రింట్ కూడా మనకి పల్లుకి వస్తుంది. ద బ్లౌజ్, ఇట్స్ అ కంప్లీట్ ప్రింటెడ్ బ్లౌజ్, అండ్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ప్రైస్డ్ అట్ 2600 ఫ్రీ షిప్పింగ్. Moving on to the next design in Georgette saree. So this is a very traditional pattern Georgette saree andi. Body lo silver zari weave checks vastunnai. So chinna checks pattern throughout the body, a very trendy pattern suitable for any age group. Check pattern body with temple weave borders and a stripe pattern border as well. Rani pink is the body color, and sky blue we have both sides contrast color border. This is the pallu. So pallu అనేది సిల్వర్ జరీ వీవింగ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఆన్ స్కై బ్లూ బేస్ కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్ వీవింగ్ అనేది పల్లుకి వస్తుంది, అండ్ ద సారీ క్యారీస్ అ కాంట్రాస్ట్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్, సిల్వర్ జరీ వీవింగ్ అండ్ సీక్వెన్స్ వర్క్ అనేది బ్లౌజ్కి వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ప్రైస్డ్ అట్ 3500 ఫ్రీ షిప్పింగ్. So with this we are coming to the end of today's episode. Georgettes and chiffons in varied color combination and different types of weave pattern lo మనం ఈ రోజు ఎపిసోడ్ లో సారీస్ చూసాము. Hope you have liked the collection. If you wish to place an order, send a screenshot to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen, and you can also shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates from Rangvarsha Sarees. Thank you and happy shopping.